Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to change your avatar in Candy Crush Saga. Updating your avatar in Candy Crush Saga can personalize your profile and make your in-game identity more fun and unique. First of all, open up the Candy Crush Saga application on your smartphone. Wait for the game to load, and once it does, tap on My Account. After you do that, go ahead and click on the camera button underneath your current avatar at the top, and then this will take you to a website where you can change your image. Click on Change Image, and you can then go ahead and select a photo from your device's camera roll or take a photo from your device's camera. I'm gonna choose the camera roll option. Go ahead and select your photo you want to choose as a profile avatar on Candy Crush Saga and click on Done. Resize and adjust your image within the frame and click on Save Image. Soon after you do that, you will be able to upload your new profile picture. Tap on Back to Game and get back to Candy Crush Saga application, and there you have it. Your newly updated avatar can be visible on the page. Your profile will now display the updated avatar or photo across the game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.